This video tutorial explains the guides function of the LS7P monitor. Tap the screen to open the menu. Click Functions. Swipe the menu to the left twice. And then click Guides to turn on the Guides function. There are 6 parameters in the Guides tab: Options, H, V, Mark, Opacity, and Color. Click Options to select guides of various sizes and customize the guide size. You can freely choose according to your shooting needs. Click H to adjust the horizontal ratio of the guides. Click V to adjust the vertical ratio of the guides. Note: the horizontal and vertical parameters can only be adjusted when the option is custom. Click Mark to turn on or off the masked area outside the guides. Click Opacity to select off 25%, 50%, and 75%. You can change the transparency of the mask area outside the mark box as needed. Click Color to select white, red, green, or blue as the guide's frame color. The above is the complete introduction to the guide's frame function of the LS7P monitor.